You are welcome to my channel. So I'm GB Bello and we are just about starting to sew our male tunic and trousers. So on the table here today I'm going to show you how to prepare your placket. How to prepare your placket, both the big placket and the small placket for the male tunic, I mean the senator. So this is for the big placket and the measurement I'm using here is 3.5 by 12 inches. Yours can be shorter or longer depending on how wide or how long your slit is. Then this is for the small placket and it's just 1.75 by 10 inches. Of course, I won't use all this 10 inches because the slit is not up to 10 inches, but at least I prepared this by 10 inches. Then this is 3.5 by 12 inches. Then this is the stay that I'm going to fasten on it, and then I will show you how to iron it before we go and sew it.